In this video, we'll be discussing the empowered PC Panorama gaming desktop, a powerhouse built for gamers and creators who want nothing less than top-tier performance. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this desktop PC in the description below for the best price. Now, let's get into what makes this machine one of the most exciting gaming desktops on the market right now. The Panorama comes armed with Intel's latest Ultra 9 285K processor, boasting 24 cores and speeds reaching up to 5.7 GHz. That means faster loading, smoother gameplay, and better multitasking whether you're streaming, editing, or running high-demand software. Paired with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, it ensures zero lag and lightning-fast responsiveness across everything you throw at it. For gamers, the real star here is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory. This GPU crushes modern titles with ease, delivering smooth frame rates well over 100 FPS on ultra settings. Ray tracing and DLSS 4 make visuals incredibly realistic, offering lifelike lighting and shadows that bring every scene alive. It's not just for gaming though, creators will love how it handles 3D rendering, video editing, and AI workloads effortlessly. Storage-wise, the 2TB NVMe Gen4 SSD is a huge win. It's up to 30 times faster than traditional drives, meaning your system boots instantly and games load in seconds. The cooling system is another highlight. 9 ARGB fans combined with liquid cooling keep temperatures low even during long gaming marathons. Plus, that full-tempered glass panoramic case gives it a premium, futuristic aesthetic that's perfect for any setup. Connectivity is modern and future-proof with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, HDMI, and RJ45 ports, so you're covered whether you're streaming, gaming, or transferring large files. And if you're wondering about reliability, Empowered PC assembles and stress tests every unit in the USA and backs it with a 3-year limited warranty and lifetime tech support, a level of assurance that's rare in pre-built systems. On the downside, this kind of performance doesn't come cheap, and the system's power draw might be overkill if you're a casual gamer. But for anyone serious about gaming or content creation, the Panorama offers an incredible blend of raw power, style, and reliability that's tough to beat. If you're ready to upgrade to a future-proof desktop that's built to perform and built to last, the Empowered PC Panorama is a strong contender worth your attention.